Good morning, chickadoes and chickadees. Today is Monday, October 19th, and this is your lesson video. So, as we move away from rhetorical analysis essays, we're not totally done with it. We're going to keep coming back with it with every unit, every cycle that we're looking at, just so that we don't lose the strategy. But then also, that's always how we approach argumentation, anyways, is looking how someone else presents an argument so that we can craft our own. So, that's what we're focusing now as we're moving into unit 2 and 3 for this second cycle, the idea of argumentation. And we have to remember that argumentation isn't just the fact of yelling at somebody or getting into a heated conversation. But we have to acknowledge argumentation is that it's an intellectual, sophisticated exchange of ideas, acknowledging that the other side and multiple sides exist, seeing it from their point of view and either focusing more on our side and why we are more so right than they are, or crushing their side and crushing what they have to say and proving that what they've said is wrong. And that's why we should not believe them. So as we take a look at argumentation, we're looking at how we craft our case. And there is a sense of organization that needs to abide by. There's certain templates that work and some that just don't work. So that's what we're going to be looking at, bless you, as we go through our argumentation unit. So not just arguing, not just getting a heated conversation with somebody, but having a very intellectual, sophisticated, practical approach in arguing our case, of sharing our ideas and actually having support to back ourselves up, having that credible resource to prove that what we're saying is true, it is timely, and it is believable. So, in order to get to this, what I want you to focus on in today's video is looking at Adora Stidbach and looking at her case. She's trying to make the case of what adults can learn from kids. So, all you're going to do today is watch her video. I want you to listen to her case and what her points are. We already know what she's trying to convince, but look at what her points are and what she uses as support to back herself up. So you are more than welcome to take notes to kind of get a feel for what her structure is, what comes first, what comes second, what comes third, how and when does she acknowledge the other side, and what does she do with that other side approach when she's looking at her opposition. And then, secondly, she has an amazing vocabulary. We are now in our second season, if you want to say, of our vocabulary project. You are responsible for an additional 10 words that are due October 30th, along with analysis writing to prove that they can be used. She has a phenomenal vocabulary. I'm pretty sure you can get more than half of your words from this TED Talk. I'm going to go ahead and attach the transcript so that you have the actual sentences from whence the words are being used. But she has, again, a phenomenal vocabulary. Take a look at how she presents her case, how she presents her points of discussion, her reasons, her ideas, and then how she acknowledges and what she does when she talks about the opposition, her other side. Right? And we'll continue on this structure of what argumentation looks like. So when you have to create an argument, it is sophisticated, it is organized, it is practical, and it's not just a layering on a rant. All right. So enjoy the TED Talk of what adults can learn from kids. Take a look at how she structures her argument, and then see if you can pick out some words for yourself for your vocabulary notebook that is due October 30th. Love y'all. Have a good day and make good choices.